with this problem, what you would do is you would be using a combination of the chain rule and the product rule, which is, I mean, what you mentioned already. So first, what I would do is I would change this into a separate function. So x, and we just, or sorry, we let u equal 36 minus 2x. Okay, and so then we end up with x times u squared. Then we could use the product rule, and we end up with dy dx is equal to, let's see, I believe it was the derivative of the, yeah, that's right, derivative of the first, so that would just be 1 times the derivative of the second, or sorry, times the second equation plus the first function times the derivative of the second one, which is just 2u. Actually, no, sorry. To keep this clear, I'd probably say derivative u in terms of x. Okay? So we have this all set up, and now we deal with this right here. Okay? So let's see. What do I do next? So technically this is the derivative of this function right here. And I know I used u, and that might be a little confusing to you, but yeah. I don't know if that'll confuse you or not, but let's just say that this derivative we're talking about is the derivative of that, and that's when you use the chain rule. Okay, so let's see, chain rule is yeah, you basically, we end up with a derivative of u squared, which is 2u, times the derivative of what was inside of the u. Sorry, we weren't finding the derivative of the whole function, just this function right here. I forgot that there was that x there. But anyways, so it becomes 2u times the derivative of the internal function, which is just -2. We substitute back in for u, so it would be 2 times 36 minus 2x times a -2, so it becomes -4 times 36 minus 2x. Okay, so here we are. This equals 1 times that function in there, so it's 36 minus 2x squared. So that's what that is. Plus x times what we found this to be, which was this right here, times -4, 36 minus 2x. Okay, so this ends up equaling 1 times this is just 36 minus 2x squared, plus we distribute, or we multiply in the -4, or sorry, multiply in the x. -4 times x is just -4x times 36 minus 2x. Alright. Now we can actually factor out a 36 minus 2x. Because see, there's two 36 minus 2x's here and one here, so you end up with 36 minus 2x times 36 minus 2x plus a negative 4x. And so this equals 36 minus 2x times, well, let's see, we got negative 2x plus negative 4x, negative 6x. So 36, I don't know what's wrong with me, 36 minus 6x. Like that. Now we can factor out even further. There's a 2 in here, so that's 2 times, let's see, 36 is 18 minus x. We can factor out a 6 here, so times 6 times 6 minus x. So this ends up just equaling 12 times 18 minus x times 6 minus x. Okay, so that should be an answer. I mean, there's other ways that it could be written. It could also be written as 12 times x plus 18 times x plus 6. But anyways, that would be the answer. So I hope that helped.